Hey y'all. So I am going to be reviewing how to do your virtual getting to know you activity. Now, I already went over this in class, so you do not have to rewatch this video. However, sometimes we forget how to do things, and it's always great to have a refresher. So the instructions and how to do things is going to be listed here if you want to see it, but you don't have to. I'm going to walk you through how to get from this right here to this right here. So the first thing that you do, let me delete that. You do not have to type your name because you will type it in the title. So the first thing is to click the view button and then go to 100%. As you can see, this makes it so much easier to type and to actually see what you are doing. Now, if you are inserting a picture, you can do that one of two ways. You are first going to click replace image each and every time, no exceptions. You can upload from the computer or search from the web. Because this is a picture, I'm going to upload it from the computer. I do have my Bitmoji face. And then I'm just going to select it and it's going to go there. Then I am going to type my name. I am Miss Leeper. I want that to stand out a bit more. Oop, spelled it wrong. I want that to stand out a bit more, so I'm just going to bold it, maybe increase the font a little bit. And then the second way is for you to click the picture. Guys, you have to click replace image. If you do not replace image, you won't be able to use it because it will take up the entire thing, the entire page. It won't be what you want it to be. So if I want to search an image, so for example, my dream vacation is to go to Rome. So I am going to search Rome. I'm going to pick a pretty picture, click it, and then click the word replace. Now I am going to pick a hashtag, wishful thinking, because guys, I'm not going to Rome, though I wish I would. And so that is there. Now, please keep in mind that your page can be full of pictures like this that you just search from the web, or you can fill it with actual pictures. You can just upload them to your computer. This is a picture of my daughter. And if it comes like this, you just right click on the picture. You can rotate the page. I think, okay, there, sorry, y'all. Make sure you actually click the picture. You can just rotate the picture. Keep rotating. I'm sure there was an easier way, but this is how I do it, so don't judge me. Then I'm just going to adjust it, make it pretty. And then my hashtag is going to be mom life because that is most of my life besides teaching. So there we have it. I'm going to just move everything up because I want it to be nice and center, make it look nice. And so you can do, like I said, either pictures that you search in Google or pictures that you upload to your computer. The choice is yours. So for the rest of this, you're just going to follow the directions. This is your boarding pass. Now, this could be your boarding pass of a favorite memory, a bucket list trip, or a dream vacation. So for me, we're going to click dream vacation and just move that X right there because, guys, I would love to go from Charlotte to Rome. Now, I don't actually know the airport for Rome, so you can just put in the destination or You can go to Google Flights. Don't really book a flight, y'all, because your parents are not going to be like Miss Sleeper said. Nope. For Rome, Italy, the flight are these three letters here. So that is FCO. So I'm going to close that out, y'all. And I'm going to put FCO right there. And then I'm going to pretend like this is just a regular boarding pass. I am going to type my name, the date, let's say summer 2021, because we know nobody can go anywhere anytime soon. Then we're going to put Rome, Italy. Now, if you have somewhere that you've already been that you would rather put here, that is more than okay. You're going to do the same thing with your ticket stub, a favorite ticket stub or a dream. You're going to take this X. No, wait, y'all. There we go. You're going to take the X and you're just going to drag it to where you need it to be. I don't know why this is happening to me. There we go. Whether it's a dream vacation or, a dream ticket stub or a favorite stub. Down here, you're going to type in your favorite quote, play around with the font, play around with the size, the color, and then you're just going to answer a few facts about you. First one is where are you from, favorite subject, what you want to do in life, things about your home, your family, hobbies, sports. And keep in mind, you are not limited to what these suggest. This is something to give you ideas. Once you have filled this entire thing out, it'll look something like this. This is mine, all nice and filled out. Make sure that everything looks fine. As you can see, this one is a little off in size, so I just had to reformat it, and now everything looks wonderful. Once you are done, you're going to follow the instructions on how to submit. Have a good day, y'all.